I need somewhere to put my feet. Whoa! Holy.
If you're feeling like I feel, running like I hit the dance floor. And if you need a little heat in your face, that's what I'm here for. If you're chilling in the dark and you're looking through a telescope, you will see me sipping on the soul of a new hope. So put it down.
Have I ever said how much I love to make stuff out of wood? That's pretty cool, huh? Mom, Dad, Mr. Moeller, I apologize, but I cut a lot of corners when I made this one. It took me like 15 minutes. It was free, and I made it out of a bunch of scrap wood laying around the house. So instead of getting after me on all the corners I cut, you should be happy of how good of a job I did. Anyways, I have not been able to post a video because things have been so crazy. I've just been working so much and having a lot of fun and living life. I don't even know. There's not a lot that's been going on, you know, like at all. My room is really dirty. That's pretty much it. Oh, but I will say this. As I was making that sweet ass, what do I want to call it? It's like a coffee table / dinner table. I was making some awesome dinner. My mom used to hate when we used to eat out of the pan. But now that, you know, it's my own home, it's my own rules. Right, Mom? Oh. The old parents sent me the backstrap for their elk. Should be coming in the mail this weekend. Getting ready for the Super Bowl. You know how pumped I am right now? I'm hungry just thinking about it. And guess what? I forgot to mention this too. My boy Brycey got career designated. Woo-hoo-hoo! You know what that means? Well, if you don't know what it means that he gets to go to the Olympic trials. He's got to earn his spot back. So, I'm going to Iowa in April. Thanks, Mom and Dad, for getting me there for my birthday. Pretty cool.
So burn it down. Burn it down. So burn it down. Burn it down. Yeah.
Holy crap. Check it out. This guy I follow on YouTube. Woo! The lighting is good. This guy I follow on YouTube. He like uses the storefronts to get the lighting that shines down. Like, for instance, the inside of my fridge. Dude, I'm gonna start using the fridge. It's gonna be fridge time. Once a week, I'm gonna come in here and I'm just gonna talk about I don't know what. But it'll be like mail time. Like he does like on every Tuesday, he has mail time. He opens up his mail that he gets from his people. One day is Q&A. If you guys ever send me questions in the bottom, I'll answer them on the video. It's like getting interactive and stuff. Some pretty hardcore stuff. Dude, I just can't get over this. Fridge time! Whew. I'm gonna use this every time. Look at my teeth, they're so white. Anyways, this right here is the table. This right here is the table I just made. And this right here is the futon. The old roommates moved out, so the couch went out of here and all the other shit. And all the other stuff. So, we're going to be getting some cool stuff. Oh wait, you hear that? It's the fridge timer. That means fridge time is over. That's my timer. I only got so much time to do this.